Time has passed, running through the gates of hell and back. I feel you near, but no, not the same. We're strangers here. We're catching up since the love that we had.
So you can pass the blues. Disco biscuits in my little tooth. I got this throbbing headache and I'll bend the truth. Ace my test, I guess that I'm the best. I guess that I'll be better when the better rest.
Counting all my blessings, God, come get me out of this town. 'Cause every day I wake up wishing I could break up with the city light and construction sound. I couldn't wait to move, I had so much to prove. It was all I could do to get away. But now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, all I see is an empty
Did the world wake up on the wrong side of bed? CPR to the red hot pounding head. I'm surprised that we still managed to circle the sun. We should all be dead and buried with the damage we've done. 10 p.m. rolls around, it's the same old tale. A shooting here and the following political trail. I grab a beer and I sit down on the floor. Change it over to the comedy on Channel 4. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. All these guys in suits seem to make all this pain. What good's a rainbow without any rain? It's always crying an impression of somebody else. Change the channel before you lose your sense of self. My little sister doesn't look good